Welcome back, my friends. This beautiful 100 years old ice cream maker was given to me by a gentleman, and he was very thrilled when I told him that I'm going to restore this and so that we can make ice cream once more and memories. This machine has some cranking arrangements on the drum, on the stirrer, and all this barrel, everything is broken. So let us see whether I can restore this. Come on, let's do it. The barrel is completely broken, but I do have all the parts here. This is, and then I have to make a new ring, and then I'm going to do it in two sections: barrel one section and all other mechanism. This drum is, I feel this is tin coated, and then mechanism is working. This is also, everything is tin coated, my understanding. This is the lid. So let me first dismantle this, all the metal parts, and start working on that, and then I'll separately work on this drum. This mechanism is very nice because when I rotate this way, it converts two motions, one in clockwise, inside it is anti-clockwise. It's too rusted, that's why I'm doing electro cleaning. So one part is missing, that is where the drum sits on that. So I'm going to do it myself. So using my mini lathe. It's a time for assembly. Dear friends, I completed this assembly altogether. Still, I'm not very happy about this barrel because this was rotten wood, I tried to fix it. I filled with wood filler and did a lot of things. Still, I feel it won't hold the water. There will be some leakage. To prevent that, I have a small hack. I'm going to use a plastic inside and then see whether this machine will work. Come on, let's do it. Let me see. Wow. Oh, not bad. Guys, I'm very happy I am able to make some ice cream out of this 100 years old ice cream machine. Of course, I'm not going to taste this now because I don't know, this machine they have not used it for 50 years, I think. So that's why it will have some metal residues inside. So I'm not going to eat this thing. The second one I'll try to eat. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. See you.